English learning practice. It was my first day at the language school in the city, and I felt completely out of place. The classroom was full of people from different countries. All the children in the school spoke different languages. I sat quietly in the back, nervous and unsure if I would be able to talk to anyone. After class, I walked outside and saw a group of girls sitting on the steps laughing together. One of them smiled at me and invited me to join them. I hesitated at first, but then I sat down and we began to talk slowly and simply. Some time later, I found out they were from Brazil, Russia, and America. At first, I couldn't guess where they were from, but after we introduced ourselves, it became clear. We talked about our day, stories, or hobbies. Some students spoke confident English. From that day on, we spent time together after class, exploring the city, trying new food, and helping each other with homework. Some girls became our friends. That day was a very beautiful day of my life. Now, when I think about home, I don't only think of my country. In fact, I would think about them too, because sometimes home is not a place, rather where we live and where the people who love us are. That is our home. How to practice English every day. Practicing speaking English also is a powerful way to improve your fluency and confidence. If you don't have a conversation partner, don't worry, you can try to speak English yourself. If you have passion to learn English, then English language is not difficult or hard for you. To learn English, you can talk about your day in English and you can chat on social media in English. To learn good English, you should read English easy books with pictures. It can be make you better in English. For learning English language, you should listen to English songs or news, because listening is very important part of learning English language. You can watch English movies or shows in English. It will be better for improving your English. You should practice to speak English every day, because consistency is very important for learn anything easily. I know if you try to speak English first, you will make mistakes. But remember, every mistake is a key of success. So all friends, don't afraid of making mistakes and keep trying to speak English. And according to me, if you have passion to learn English, so you can learn easy and faster English speaking.